Hello everyone, welcome to Academic Access. Get a daily dose of 10 questions in 2 minutes. Current officials of Tamil Nadu. Who is the governor of Tamil Nadu? Mr. R. N. Ravi. Who is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu? Mr. M. K. Stalin. Who is the Chief Secretary of Tamil Nadu? Mr. V. Irayanbu. Who is the Chief Justice of Tamil Nadu? Mr. Munishwarnath Bandri. Who is the Speaker of Tamil Nadu State Legislative Assembly? Mr. M. Appavu. Who is the Deputy Speaker of Tamil Nadu State Legislative Assembly? Mr. K. Pichandi. Who is the Leader of Legislative Assembly in Tamil Nadu? Mr. Durai Murugan. He is also the Minister of Water Resources in Tamil Nadu. Who is the Minister for School Education in Tamil Nadu? Mr. Anbal Mahesh Poyyamoli. Who is the Minister for Higher Education in Tamil Nadu? Dr. K. Ponmudi. Who is the Minister for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare? Mr. M. R. K. Selvam. Let's see the answer for yesterday's question of the day. When is International Women's Day celebrated? March 8th. And now it's time for today's question of the day. Who is the leader of the opposition of the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly? Write your answer in the comment section below. If you like my videos and want to let me know, please hit the like button. And I will be posting videos daily to the best of my ability. So subscribe and also leave a comment if you have any topics for me to post. Thank you for watching.